Hi there, welcome to my channel Creative Edmo. If you want to improve your English, you must learn how to use the right word at the right time. Improving your vocabulary is easy. Let's learn a new word every day. So today's word is diligent. D-I-L-I-G-E-N-T. Diligent. It's an adjective. It means it is used to describe someone or something. Diligent means hardworking. Someone who is diligent works hard in a careful and thorough manner. You can say he is a diligent student. He is a diligent worker. You can also use this word as diligently as an adverb. For example, she worked diligently and got a promotion. The noun form for this word is diligence. D-I-L-I-G-E-N-C-E. Diligence. The quality of working carefully and with a lot of effort. The diligence with which she works is remarkable. His diligence motivates everyone. Okay, I hope it's clear. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Creative Edmo. Thank you.